sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind.
Welcome back, guys. I'm here with Unice hair once more. They gave me a whole bag here with everything in it. So let's see. So first thing I'm seeing is the wig, of course, which we're gonna get into in a few. So what's in today's package? I got a wig cap and I got a goodie bag, and that's everything in the drawstring bag here. So I got a scarf and another wig cap. I also got a pair of lashes, and finally like what, 4 clips. These are great to section your hair, especially when you're styling it. So that's everything I got. This is the wig that we're working with today. Now it's the first time I'm working with a kinky straight hair. That's this color. It's a reddish brown kinky straight lace frontal wig. This wig is a 13x4 lace front, and you could go ahead and, you know, bleach it and tint it if you wish, because it doesn't come bleached or tinted, but it's a medium brown lace. The front is already pre-plucked. It looks nice and I really love the color. I'm not gonna lie, it's cream summer. It looks good. It's very full and it's 24 inches long, by the way. You know, I'll put the density down below in the description box so you can go ahead and check that, but this is how it looks. It's really pretty. I really love the color and I'm so excited to go ahead and install this. The inside of the cap has a total of 3 combs and adjustable straps in the back. It looks really nice. You know, I'm really loving the look and I can't wait to rock this out. This is really pretty. So let's go ahead and jump into installing this.
Sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between.
Go ahead and line up the hairline with my natural hairline and see how much I need to cut off. I want to give this a really nice flowy straight look when I'm done. Okay, you know that kinky straight vibe. For today's install, guys, I'm actually going to glue this down, give it a nice flat glue install, get it really nice and melted. So you guys know how I do whenever I do a glue install. I do 1/2 at a time, and that's how I pretty much get everything done. So now I wipe away the area with my wet wipe with alcohol. Ensure that there is no residue there, no makeup, no nothing.
The walls I built for myself right in my mind, and then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. And now when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you can put the fire out. You can turn it all around. You can lift me off the ground so we can fly again.
So I'm just pressing everything down, ensuring that it's super melted. I did 3 layers of glue, by the way, so I know that will be an awesome hold. that can last me like the entire week. And if you want to be super sure, you can just do like 4. I did that the other day for vacation. It was impeccable. Did not lift. I didn't have to retouch. It was amazing. And with applying adhesive to the next half. So what I'm gonna do is just take my elastic band, put at the very edge of the lace, and I'm going to blow dry over that once more. I'm gonna go ahead and do my swoops, and then I'm gonna start on hot combing it. Actually going to do a center part with this wig today. I'm just using my hot comb to get it nice and laid to the back. It's so hot. It's so hot. So this doesn't have like a deep parting at all to work with. It's a 13x4, classic 13x4. So it's a shallow parting space, but we're still gonna make it work. So guys, I'm literally just going to run through this with my flat iron and get it nice and straight. It's looking so good.
I get lost sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. And now, when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you can put the fire out. To go out of my mind, and all I need right now is for you to stay the night. But if you keep saying that you've got
a very nice natural straight vibe, a ginger reddish brown deep tone vibe. It's different. I've always done kinky textures, but not in this color, and it's straightened very nice. Look at that. The movement is lovely. It looks like, you know, natural hair that's blown out. It's very pretty. Let me know what you guys think about it down below in the comments section, because it's a vibe. Yes, Unice hair came through once more. It's just variety. Look at that. So nice and silky. It's a kinky texture, but it's still soft and like smooth. Like the movement is nice. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's wig look. It was not hard to install at all. The shedding is there, of course, and it's very minimal, so that I can tell you. But the length is manageable. It's not weighty, you know, it's very light, so that's a good thing, and it looks good. It's very summertime, you know, appropriate. So I'm gonna be sure to drop all the specifications of this wig in my description box for you guys, and also I'll put the direct link if you're interested in ordering this for yourself. So go ahead and check that out. And that's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
But if you keep saying that you've got to leave, then I'm gonna be alright. As long as you tell me that we ain't running out of time. Thinking about all the things we did tonight.